Hello boys and girls, for today's lesson, we are looking into Unit 13, Overcoming the Odds, and we are going to look into reading comprehension component, that is successful people with disabilities. Alright, so for today's lesson, you can refer to your textbook on page 126. Alright, before moving on, let's check our learning objective for today's lesson. Alright, so by the end of this slide video, you should be able to read the text about successful people with disabilities, and after that, you should be able to transfer information to non-linear text. Okay, later on, we'll see what is non-linear text. So if you refer to your textbook, you can see this text about successful people with disabilities. That means these are all the people who are very successful, but they are not normal. Okay, so later we'll see what are their disabilities. Alright, I'm not going to read for you, but somehow I have made few lines, or I have made few important highlight that might be useful for you. Okay, we'll just see the summary of each person. Okay, so Stevie Wonder. So, who is this? Who is this person? He is a greatest singer. He is an American musician, singer, songwriter. And what is his disability? He is a blind man. Okay, so he has started performing since age of 11, and then so far he had recorded more than 30 top 10 hits. That means his songs is very famous. Okay, moving on to Helen Keller. Okay, so this lady is an American author and lecturer. Okay, so what is special about her? He is the first lady, the first deaf and blind lady to earn a college degree. Okay, so far she has written 12 books, including her own autobiography, and she has received many awards. Okay, moving on to the third person, Stephen Hawking. Okay, so he is a British man. He is one of the greatest scientists. Okay, so he is a lecturer and an author. Okay, what happened to him? What is his disability? He suffers from motor neuron disease. Okay, so what is the consequences of this disease? He is only able to speak 15 words per minute. So it slowed down his speed of talking. And then he has authored numerous books and scientific papers. Okay, and then the last person is Mark Inglis. So he is a professional mountaineer from New Zealand, a man with 2 artificial legs who climbed Mount Everest in 47 days. He is also a motivational speaker, a cyclist, a researcher, a Paralympic medalist, and an author. Okay, alright, so moving on. Okay, so this is today's task, whereby you have to complete this table. So this is what we call non-linear text. Okay, so based on the information from this and the summary of this, you have to complete this. Okay, the red one are actually blind spot that you need to fill up. Okay, so just a summary of what we have learned. So about Mark English, he is a New Zealander. He used 2 artificial leg. He is a motivational speaker, cyclist, a researcher, Paralympic medalist, and an author. So what was his achievement? He was able to climb Mount Everest in 47 days. Alright, so you can pause and have a look and read through this table so that you can complete the task easily. Alright, so moving on, this is an extra section whereby the comprehension question comes in. Okay, so there are only 3 questions. Okay, what is my English achievement of climbing Mount Everest is remarkable. Okay, what is it so important? Why is it being highlighted? It is because he managed to climb Mount Everest within 47 days with 2 artificial legs. Okay, that means not his real leg. So he still managed to climb the Mount Everest, the mountain. Okay, next, what would have happened if this disabled personality had given up in life? Okay, so they would not be able to acknowledge and enhance their personal talent. So they wouldn't know what they are good at. Okay, although they are disabled, sometimes disabled people, there are hidden talent in them. Okay, and the last question, do you think we should be proud of their achievement? Why? Yes, we should be proud of their achievement because this is to motivate ourselves to work harder in our life and be grateful. Okay, that means we as a normal human being, we should be able to do better than them. We should be able to be grateful. We should be grateful of being a normal human being. That is why it's important for us to appreciate or to be proud of their achievement. Alright, so basically that's for today's lesson. You can refer to the description section and you can click on the link for today's task and you can complete the task on the live worksheet. Alright, so I think that's all from me and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.